Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add the music to your PowerPoint presentation in a few easy steps. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. At first, let's say we wanna add two slides and type something here and type something here too. So how to add a background music to these two slides? Just here in this menu, click on insert and now choose audio. Click on audio on my PC here, and from here you can choose any audio that you want to add to your presentation from your PC. So yeah, download some audio from or some music from YouTube or from everywhere you want it, or from Spotify, I don't know from where. And if you want to add it, just click on it, click on insert, and it will appears like this, so you can move it where you want it. Let's say here. So how to check, how to hear how it sound, how to hear how it sounds like the music. Just click here and play in background, and now click on start a slideshow, or you can just simply press F5 on your keyboard. And as you can see, when you press F5 on our keyboard, now the music is playing. So yep, that was how to simply add music to your PowerPoint presentation in a few easy steps. And yeah, actually when we move to the other side, it's playing again, so you don't have to worry it will stop or something. So yep, that was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like. And also, if you don't be hesitant to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, see you next video. Bye.